So this is the little key head, is what I'm going to call it, from my 2015 F250 for the spare tire hoist through the bumper of the truck. So I followed the Pex Pipe, hammer the Pex Pipe over this end here, instructions to remove this key head. And it appeared to not work at all. And then I resorted to the 14mm socket to pound the 14mm socket over the head of this, I'm gonna call it a key head for the spare tire hoist. Well, when I went in for the with the 14mm socket, I noticed this thing was kind of hanging down like this. And when I kind of finagled the socket in there and got this thing to kind of stand up straight, and I gave it one good whack with when I thought the socket was well fitted over the key head, it fell out. So now that I look at it, when it was leaning like this, I think with the Pex Pipe, I had pretty much gotten it out to this point here where my thumbnail is on this thing, and it was hanging like this. And when I tried to put the 14mm socket head over it, it fell out. So the 3/4 inch Pex Pipe method was working, and I had it to this point here, but then I gave up because the Pex Pipe kept coming off of the key head here as I was trying to spin it to see if I could crank the tire down to give me better access to all of this. But eventually it was just kind of, the Pex Pipe would come off of there, and I lost nerve and I gave up. I lost confidence and I gave up. And when I came back when I found the 14mm socket method, and I went back in it, this thing was hanging like this, except I'm seeing it from this end like this. I picked it up, fit the socket over it. When I gave it one good whack, it just fell out. So Pex Pipe method was working. 3/4 inch Pex Pipe method was working. I'm sure the 14mm socket method would work when you pound that socket over this thing. It'll have a much tighter grip on this key head here, and it will go on and just pull it out of there. It's just like a kind of like a really flimsy locking ring, like a little washer thing on it. It maybe just kind of gives a little bit of resistance and interference fit in there to hold this thing in there, where you could put the key head. The key doesn't go on this head very much. It's a very shallow, like a locking wheel lug or something like that. But yeah, Pex Pipe method, 3/4 inch Pex Pipe method. Although I lost my nerve, lost confidence in it early on, too soon, appears to would have worked. I didn't put as much effort into the 14mm socket method. I'm sure that one would work, but both methods, if you need to remove one of these from your spare tire hoist on your Ford series of pickup trucks because you don't have the key for it, those methods on YouTube will get it out. In my case, it was a 2015 F250 gasoline engine 4x4.